Twinkle, twinkle, little star, Billy, shut up!
Whoa, are we back on air?
Yeah.
Oh.
Billy, shut up!
He's done.
Okay, Billy, we have to say,
You suck.
You just suck.
I'm so sorry to say that,
I'm not, but you're not going to Hollywood.
I am Ozzy Osbourne, and I know.
You're not Ozzy Osbourne.
I have to face the facts that I'm not Ozzy. And you have to face the facts that you're a homosexual who cannot sing. Yes.
And
now,
our next contestant, Carlos.
From Big Time Rush. Hello, I'm Carlos.
Just talking about regular voice. I'm Carlos from Big Time Rush. I'm gonna be singing. Let's get started.
Bean dip.
Whoa.
Okay, Carlos.
Bean dip.
You have to face the facts that this is a singing show, not beatboxing.
Singing, not beatboxing. You might want to try. Oh no, Ben! Are you okay?
My facial hair. I mean my hair.
Bean dip.
Oh.
Now for our next contestant.
Who's our next contestant?
What's her name?